Hey guys, want to do a quick video on our front ends. I know that I had done one earlier. I'm not sure exactly what all content is in that video. So while I'm thinking of a few things, I wanted to go over that. So when you buy a front end from us with a hood, this is how it'll come. Typical anyway. So you'll see here, there's a 1032 screw bolt with a nylock and some fender washers. There's 3 in the front and there's 1 on each side in the back. These are the approximate location of the Zeus fasteners. The Zeus fastener has like a 5/8 hole. This is 3/16. So it's in the approximate location, and if you decide to move it, there's plenty of room to move that around a little bit. But being as though there's a Zeus rail under that on top of the fender, you can only move it just so far, and then you won't be on that rail anymore. So we've done all of them this way, and no one has ever said it came back to bite them on that. And the same thing here in the back. There's one there in the back. This is not in an area that you'll be using. So you'll be cutting this off. Almost everybody would be cutting that off. So unless you're lengthening the front end quite a bit, this one you won't be using. But once again, it's in a good spot also. If you were, one thing to keep in mind also is, if you can see, there's a line etched in this. Goes down there, goes around, it actually goes around the perimeter of the hood. Do not trim that hood on that line unless you get with us first, because it fits something specific, and 99% of you guys, that is not going to work for you. And if you just see that line and trim it, you're really going to regret. So the hood is oversized in length and in width in the back. The length, so you can use it how you need to. There's plenty of extra. And then the width is wider, because the more arch you put in the hood, the higher this is here. Obviously, the narrower the hood's going to get. So as if you were to arch that hood up higher, this would start coming in. So we leave it long, so you can trim it how you like. So some guys want more of a factory flat crown to it, and others are trying to clear a little bit of induction system stuff. They need a little more room. You can arch that hood up. That gives it a nice aerodynamic look to it as well. As you can see, this one I've got arched up some. Yeah, it's a pretty versatile way of doing things. And another thing too is, if you put it together and there's a gap here, or this is in out, it's not lined up, something's wrong. Find out why, because this should line up and have a nice, follow this around. And like right here, it's a little, it needs to be pulled down a little, or actually that front end might need to come up. Make sure when you're drilling for your Zeus fasteners that you do have that pulled up where it goes. You don't want to drill through it with it not lined up. Then when you pull it up, it wants to come like this, come forward, or the hood will go down and back. So make sure that you have that how you want it. And depending on how high the hood is arched in the back is how this fits, because it'll tip the hood up a little bit. So, and that brings this area down. So, this does fit perfect right here. So if it's not, find out why, or call me so we can figure it out. And the same thing back here, there's, the front end is longer than stock, so you can trim it to length. And this area right here is where the windshield post comes down. We left plenty of room here, so just depending on how guys are doing it, if you're fabricating a window post or whatever, there's extra material here. So if you're putting this front end on and you notice that the fender sticks out past the door quite a bit, it's because this needs to be cut down some, and maybe forward. But you'll see that that's what it is, that it's hitting here and holding everything out. You know, I've put several of these front ends on and the hoods and whatnot, and this stuff fits perfect. So if there's an issue with it, don't just look at it and go, well, I guess this is how it is, or stuff doesn't fit. Something's wrong, because it will fit. I believe that covers everything that we wanted to cover. All right, guys. Bye.